Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chill. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Yeah, we're gonna start off by getting one medium onion chopped. Now, this is a Vidalia onion. Now, you can use whatever kind of onion you want. Then we're gonna chop us one bell pepper. Now, I'm using yellow, but hey, it don't matter. Get you a green, a red, or orange. Use the one you like. Then we're taking one whole chicken breast and we're gonna cut it in half. Now this is a whole breast. I know sometimes you can buy those bag breasts, they be a little smaller. You might not even have to do this step, y'all. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and get them cut in strips. Now if you don't like strips, you can actually go ahead and dice it if you want. But I like the little strips, little meaty. Now we got our water boiling, and we're gonna go ahead and add our lo mein noodles. And then we're gonna start cooking. Of course, we're gonna get our onions in first, our bell pepper. Gonna cook and sweat those down. Of course, we add a little salt to that to help the sweating process. And once those get sweated down a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add a bag of frozen vegetables. Now I chose the what that is, I guess the California medley. We got broccoli, carrot, cauliflower in it. I mean, you can use whatever frozen vegetables that you choose. You can use this broccoli. Give that a good mix. And then once our veg has melted, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken in. Give that a good mix. A little mix. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken cooked about 3/4 of the way. And then once it gets to that point, we're gonna go ahead and start adding our sauces. Now our first sauce is a 1/4 cup of sweet soy. Then we're gonna come in with a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we're gonna add in our noodles. Once we get our noodles in, we're gonna give that a good mix, making sure we're getting that good sauce over everything. And we just gonna cook this down until these flavors marry together, y'all. And after about 2 minutes, sometimes 3, depends, we gonna go ahead and plate up, y'all. It's time to eat. Oh yeah. Don't it look good, y'all? Check it out. All those flavors came together so nicely. Let's take a piece of this chicken, give it a taste. Oh yeah, that'll work. Try out these noodles. Looking tasty, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.